Tiny thinkers! La la.
Three hungry monkeys sat in a tree. They rubbed their tummies, were hungry, yippee. One said, "Bananas, that's what I see." But the bananas were guarded by a buzzy bee. The second monkey saw a mango so sweet. He ran to grab it with his quick little feet. But oh dear me, what a silly surprise! The mango rolled down right in front of his eyes. The third monkey spotted coconuts high. He tried to reach them. "Oh, I'll try. The coconut dropped with a great big thump. All three monkeys gave a happy jump. They spotted some berries, red, plump, and round, growing in bushes close to the ground. They gobbled them quickly, what a tasty treat! Juicy and yummy, so fresh and sweet. They found a big hive hanging low on a tree, dripping with honey. Oh, what could it be? They licked the golden drops, sticky and fun. Sweet honey sparkled in the warm jungle sun. Bananas, mangoes, coconuts too, berries and honey all shared by the crew. They clapped, they danced, they laughed with glee, full and happy in the jungle tree. Three little monkeys munch, 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 happy bellies after a tasty crunch.